Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to EPSEC online support program. In this video, we will recall chapter 2. For this, required resources are textbook and notebook. Summary of the lesson will be, in this lesson we will be able to recall, comprehend and summarize content of chapter 2. Complete given revision exercises in notebook. Today's thought of the day is, success will never lower its standard to accommodate us. We have to raise our standard to achieve it. The meaning of this thought of the day is, success is something that we always strive for. We always try to achieve it. We do all the things to achieve success in life. Without success, we can consider our life to be incomplete. So always try to accomplish the goal of your drive. Summary of chapter 2 is, Swiss family decided to start their new life in Australia. Their plan didn't come to end due to the terrible storm. They spent the night there till the situation didn't come in control. Next day, they surveyed the ship and found required tools. Luckily, they all made themselves to transport nearby island by making raft. Task to be done in notebook. Question number 1 is, identify the given description of each character. He is 14 years old at the time of shipwreck. He is brave, sensitive and caring, and always accompanied with his father on different adventures. Who was he? You will have to decide and write his name. Number 2, he is bold but sometimes thoughtless and often puts himself in danger. Number 3, he is the youngest member at the family who usually stays at home with his mother. Focus on the given description and write the correct name of the character. Question number 2 is, choose the correct word to complete the following sentences. Sentence number 1 is, the pastor's family had been caught in a terrible what? Storm or haunted house. Number 2, when the family went up on the deck, there was no what? Lifeboat or life jacket. Sentence number 3 is, the father advised his family to create panic or to stay calm. Sentence number 4 is, Fritz or Ernest, who was, suggested the family to build a raft. Describe the scene given in picture in present simple and present progressive tense in 6 to 7 lines. For the picture description, some rules are here which you will have to follow. Number 1, look at the picture and describe it exactly what is happening in it. Number 2, concentrate the story. Number 3, describe the scene such as the place or event. Number 4, add details, who or what can you see. Number 5, background info can be added if necessary. Number 6, simple present or present progressive tense are required to use. All the best. Thank you.